What's the meaning of affluence? Affluence. 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 Affluence refers to a state of being wealthy, often characterized by material abundance and financial prosperity. It can also refer to an abundance of resources or opportunities beyond just money. Affluent individuals or societies enjoy a higher standard of living, with access to luxury goods, quality education, healthcare, and other amenities. However, affluence can also lead to social and environmental challenges, such as inequality, overconsumption, and depletion of natural resources. Ultimately, the effects of affluence depend on how it is managed and distributed within a society.